In the fascinating world of drone technology, the Autel Evo 2 stands as a marvel of engineering. With its stunning 8K video resolution, 40-minute flight time, and 12 kilometers of video transmission, it's truly a masterpiece. But the magic doesn't end there. The Autel Evo 2 also offers an array of incredible add-ons to further enhance your drone experience. Dive into the realm of the Autel Evo 2 add-ons, where we explore how each one can revolutionize your drone flying adventures. First, consider the Live Deck. This device is a game changer. It enables real-time video footage transmission from your drone to various devices like monitors, smart devices, and even goggles. Imagine streaming breathtaking aerial footage live at an event or even just your living room. The Live Deck makes this possible. Simply connect your device to the Live Deck and watch the magic unfold. Next, we have the Autel Robotics Battery Charging Hub. With the ability to charge up to 4 batteries sequentially, it ensures you always have a power source ready for your next flight. This charging hub is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel. To use it, plug your batteries into the hub, connect it to a power source, and voila, your batteries charge one after the other. Then there's the Rugged Bundle. This isn't just a carrying case, it's a fortress for your Autel Evo 2. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it keeps your drone and accessories safe and secure. The Rugged Bundle includes compartments for your drone, controller, batteries, and more. To use it, just place your items in their respective slots, zip up the case, and you're good to go. Lastly, let's delve into the Smart Controller. This device is a drone pilot's dream. It offers a built-in ultra-bright screen designed to provide clear visibility even in direct sunlight. This means you can pilot your drone without the need for a separate smartphone or tablet. To use the Smart Controller, simply turn it on, connect it to your drone, and you're ready to fly. In summary, the Autel Evo 2's Live Deck offers live streaming capabilities. The Battery Charging Hub offers sequential battery charging. The Rugged Bundle provides robust protection for your drone, and the Smart Controller offers an all-in-one piloting solution. Each add-on brings a new level of convenience and functionality to your drone experience. So whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or just enjoying a casual flight, these Autel Evo 2 add-ons ensure you're always ready for your next drone adventure.